Vasco, Baina, Honda and Hyundai. Except these three, it ranges from good to satisfactory. The yellow color indicates moderate, which is at preferably seen at Vasco and Baina. The source for this is there are certain activities going on: road digging, construction, vehicular traffic.
These 18 locations are as approved by the Central Pollution Control Board. As and when sometimes there's some issue, we take our mobile van also, and they also we monitor.
That figure had to come here.
Yes. No, it is not difficult, it is not regularly done.
So how then this is a clear picture?
See, here every day it is being done.
Twice a week.
But you are hiding something.
2 days.
No hiding, not hiding anything.
एके वटेन गोंयान प्रदूषण वाडलां म्हूण रिपोर्ट येतात जाल्यार दुसरे वटेन प्रदूषण नियंत्रणान म्हूण प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळाचें स्पश्टीकरण.
There is all dust because of construction activity. So ताका suppression उदक मारपा जाय आनी काय करना ताका आमी दिलां बरोवन दिलां. We have given direction sprinkle म्हूण. We have started monitoring Parwari. It is showing little high because work is going on obviously. आनी ताका आमी direction दिलां फाटीं दिसाक 2 पावटी उदक मार म्हूण. Sprinkling we have very clearly said sweeping कर आनी sprinkling कर.
Now wedding starts at 7 or 10. 10 means 10?
10 means 10. So the law is all over the country. It is not only for Goa.
And politicians calling the meeting.
Law is for everybody. It is 10 o'clock.
10 means
10 o'clock. Except for those 15 days, it is up to 12 o'clock.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.